Hey everyone, it's Desiree and I am here with Birch Press Design, and we are going to create a project today using the Prismatic triangle. Haven't used this one in a while, and this is a great geometric shape. Now what's great with this, you can use each of these individually. These are layering. You have 3 layers for them. But there is a lot that you can do with these. So our project today is going to be in the realm of clean and simple, and just to make those simple birthday cards. For my sentiment, I'm going to use the Happy Lingo set once again, and again I'm going to use that happy birthday, but I'm going to put a play to that sentiment, basically to go with the lines of this geometric pattern. So let's get started, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so very clean, very simple. So the cardstock that I'm using for this die, because as always I took care of the die cutting off camera, is one of the Memory Box 6x6 cardstock pads. Now I say cardstock because this is 110-pound weight. Those 6x6 paper pads are great. 12 different colors are sitting within that pad. So for this one, this is out of the Berry Reds. This is a great, clean, simple card. Can be made in the matter of minutes. And you can make multiples in the matter of minutes. And that's what's great with this. So I love this prismatic triangle. It's got a great geometric feel. I love those harsh lines and those edges. Each die can work on its own by itself and create backgrounds by simply laying them in different angles on a piece of cardstock and then cutting them away. Here I did choose to use the 3 different colored of cardstocks and layer them up just to give these items dimension. What you can do to embellish them, instead of putting it on a what I usually call a design card, excuse me, and then taking it to your standard A2 size card panel, I am just going to go directly to that card base, and I'm going to add some Distress Oxide inks. Just going to do some ink blending. I'm just going to let it go. I do not worry if this is perfect or anything like that. I just want to get this cloud of Distress Oxide down onto that card panel. Now that little tiny rubber mat, now you saw I had the Simon Says. I like that one too. But I think those little rubber mats, they're jar openers. I found them in the grocery store. Those things are great. Nothing moves when I use those because I am on a glass surface here, which absolutely in love with. I'm going to glue that right down, right over that cloud that I created, okay, of ink blendedness. What I did was I then pulled a sentiment from the Birch Press design. Now, what I did, the whole sentiment was happy birthday to you, my friend. I actually cut the happy and then cut off the birthday. This is just like my go-to. Love it. And instead of keeping it the one full length, I cut it. Again, these triangles have sharp edges. There's multiple sides to different triangles going on. So who says we have to put our sentiment straight across the card? We don't have to do that. So what I did, and what you're going to see, is during this time, I had made 4 other ones and just chose different colors. I think these are really great, and made those set that happy birthday differently throughout each one. Gives it a little bit of a geometric feel, and these cards are perfect for anybody, and they are great to mass produce. Again, no time at all to produce. The time that took was the die cutting when it came to them. So as always, I hope you enjoyed today's project with Birch Press Design. Simplistic, clean birthday cards that are great to build up your stash just in case that birthday pops up on you Or in my case, I forget to get a card ready. I'm just saying. As always, the products I use will be listed down below. Now, unfortunately, I do not know if this prismatic triangle is still available, but I will try to find it and link to wherever it is. So again, I'm giving you some inspiration on this, just to dig into your stash, because that's what I did. I dug into my stash and played around with a die and stretched out its use in my stash. If you have any questions, make sure you leave those down below as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have fun, guys. Smile, laugh, and continue to stay safe. But remember, always be creative each and every day. Till next time, guys. Take care.